Hey, welcome to the Environment Masters warehouse. I'm Ben. We're currently working on your installation, and I wanted to thank you for trusting us to install your new equipment, and I wanted to walk you through what to expect on install day. Of course, ever since you placed your order, we have been working to make sure we have the very best equipment and strategy for your particular install. Every home is unique, and we want to make sure you are getting the very best solution for your home. This is Derek. He is your install coordinator. That means the day before your install, Derek will give you a call to make sure everything is good to go on your end, and will let you know we are prepped and ready. Derek has double-checked to make sure your equipment is in our warehouse and ready to load the next day on your install team's truck. At 7:30 on the day of your install, your team will be loading up. Contract manager Don Townsend makes sure your crew is fully briefed on your new system and any details that are particular to your home. Our pros have undergone rigorous training and apprenticeships, so they're absolute masters of their craft. Between 8 and 8:30 a.m., your installation crew will arrive at your place with one goal: taking great care of your home while putting their skills to work for you. We take great care to protect your home and leave it as we found it. Rest assured, all our employees are bonded, insured, and have undergone comprehensive background checks and drug screens. You can kick back and relax with our team in your home. In the unlikely event that anything does happen while we're there, you've got our 100% guarantee to make it right. That's why we have been the go-to for air conditioning in the Tri-County area for over 65 years. Our quality is in the details. Most people don't really care about the details of what all is being installed. We want you to know that we will stop at nothing to make sure your system is customized for your particular home. All safety features are in place to protect against water or electrical issues. We haul off your old system and make sure to follow the strictest EPA guidelines of recycling, and we will teach you how to use your new thermostat. We will even fill out your warranty and rebate paperwork for you. Later in the day, Jeremy McCaman, our HVAC replacement manager, will come to your house to verify that all is being done at the highest level of Environment Master standards, and that you are being taken care of. If you'd like to know more about the details of your system and what is being done, Jeremy will happily go over all of your questions. Our install management team has combined experience of over 55 years, so we feel confident that we can serve you best. So you think that's the end, right? Wrong. Because you chose Environment Masters, the service doesn't stop when the installation's finished. When the season changes, we will call to schedule your complimentary maintenance visit. When you purchase a system from us, it comes with an incredible 10-year parts warranty, and we stand firmly behind both the equipment and our impeccable craftsmanship, backing it up 100%. Congratulations on your new system. It will make your home more comfortable, save you money on utilities, and give you peace of mind for years to come. We truly believe that our process is the most hassle-free installation process out there. So thanks for hiring us. We'll see you soon. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to call up here and speak to me directly or any of the guys on our installation team. Have a great day.